Hey everybody, Bart the Nature Guy here. It is a kind of rainy day and kind of prompted me to make a nature invitation around the rain. And usually when things get soaked like it is out here right now, the smells kind of come alive. And so I thought I'd look at us using our noses this week a little bit more. You know, a lot of times I do visuals or sensory stuff on like touch or feel or look for contrast, but today all about the schnoz. So what I want you to do, just as usual for us, you know, always making sure that we kind of come to this place and give yourself a little chance just to take a few breaths. I've been hiking for a while, and so it's good for me to kind of settle in here a little bit and just take a few breaths just to find a place. You can kind of see here. This is I'm just on a nice little trail here, and the smells are definitely coming out. Like I'm soaked, like my shirt's all wet and from being out in the rain, and and you can definitely tell, like I almost feel like I can smell the dirt right now. So taking a few breaths just to come to a present place. And as you take some of those breaths, maybe looking around, just kind of seeing a spot that you've chosen for the day, whether it be just stepping outside of your house, maybe it's looking out the window during the rain too. But for this invitation, if you can get out to a garage and you don't like being covered, you know, like getting wet and being in the rain, totally understand that. If you can even stand underneath a tree or a little awning somewhere, maybe a little pavilion in a park, find a little spot that you can enjoy the smells of the rain delay, and that's what we'll call it today. So take a few minutes and see what you can see. What are some of those visuals? What are you noticing? I'm going to do a sound one. I can hear lots of birds around me right now. I don't know if it'll come out on the camera, but hey, what do you hear right now? I can also hear some of the cars going by on the roads, but mostly it's all birds. And what do you feel? So kind of that sense of touch. I feel wet. So I'm pretty soaked right now, but maybe also finding those leaves real shiny right now. Most of them are all soaked with water. Spend a little time with, maybe there might be a little bit of sun peeking out, but I think most of this week's supposed to be pretty overcast and rainy, spotty showers, so thought this was a good time for this invitation for us. And what do you taste? Air is so humid right now. It's going to stay humid for the next few days. So if you've done this in the past and tasted the air, drawing that air in kind of over your tongue with some force and getting a sensation of taste through the air. You know, this is definitely one of the first times we're going to have a really high level of humidity, so you might notice a few changes with it. So a couple more breaths here, seeing how that air tastes. And for the last one, our nose. And simply seeing all the fragrances that come out of nature when the rain stops, or when the rain's going, wherever it works or fits into your schedule. Inhaling through the nostrils, exhaling through the nostrils or through the mouth, whatever you choose to do. Spend a couple minutes enjoying nature, the schnoz. right, everybody. Rain delay. Nature engagement video for the week. Take care, and we'll see you in classes, everybody. Bye-bye.